BTBT stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at BT Digital Incorporated, tower sitting at $3.50 with a 19% increase for Monday, which is a very good performance. All I'm looking to do is just take things further up, if that makes sense. How my previous video looked like is when I made the video, the price was already sitting at like $2.93. Now we're $3.50, and especially with that, I'm just going to mark up the top, get rid of the previous stuff here, and hopefully as long as it makes sense, I'm looking to take it further up. But the only thing that will make it make sense is a double break. You know, I've been in the market for 5 years. I've done 43,000 videos, so I've seen what's printing with me and what's not. BTBT, as you can see here, I have 2 results in the Discord. So like I said, the only thing that I would care about is a double break, and that will go from here, that will count from here, right? And if I don't see that shift in a double break, then I'm not gonna buy. That's it. It's very simple. So there you go. All I'm doing is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn the sauce, absolutely risk-free, just click the first link in the description. It's a Discord, and plus you get all this freaking sauce. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.